The District Legal Services Authority, West Khasi Hills, in collaboration with the One-Stop Centre Nongstoiñ, organized a legal awareness program today to observe the International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. The event, held at the Dorbar Hall Tisau, Nongstoiñ, aimed to educate the community about various legal provisions and services available to protect women's rights. Assistant Legal Aid Deputy Counsel L. Nongrem provided detailed information about the free legal and services offered by the District Legal Services Authority.
Yakaba kinyo kijungyara hakaba benta badai jong ki kanthai badru ya ki khun samla ki bali ki kanthai ni ki khna ru ki jukan mi ekini ki skin ba pher ki ban mi ru ya kataka at ya ka ba ni khot kataka the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 kebalapan mi ha usnam at hajar san ya ka ba ka don hakani ka at kadon ya kishiril buat section ki bapher ya kaba ka hok jong ki kenthai ya kaba ki dei bantep ba ka ai kata ka ki hok jong ki kenthai ba kim dei bandu no ba banyo jinyarap na kani ka ya kaba ka sarkar kimi kalabo ha usnam ar hajar san.